I'm Anthony Dsilva.Fr Stan Swammy ED. कर्म कभी किसी का गलत करने से पीछा नहीं छोड़ता. इतलीच गोत एक झाली 1-2 वर्ष पहिली. Missionaries of Charity who are doing a human work, wonderful, great work they are doing all over the world. आणि एमगेलो account directly or indirectly was forced to be made non-operational, and the ball was put in the court of the Sisters of Charity, Missionaries of Charity. Government कित केलें, foreign fund तेमगेलो येना जावपाक with a bad intention maybe. तेम कित केलें, तेंगे FCRA Foreign Contribution Regulating Actaचेर तेमगेलो account तेमी clear करूना. आणि exactly on Christmas Day, 25th December, एमी तेजेर indirectly पाबंदी हाडली, saying that account cannot be directly or indirectly operated by not giving them the registration certificate, by telling them that there are some discrepancies. But all said and done, the timing was very bad. So it gives a suspicious angle because it was being done on a Christmas day. And being a charitable organization, definitely it has put Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity into a lot of hardship, because that is the time when a lot of celebration and a lot of food, clothing is needed. But with due respect to the central government, Missionaries of Charities decided not even to operate that account because they didn't want to get into much deeper trouble, because they sensed that there was a deliberate attempt to create some hurdles. Get this report.
Reverend, the fact that this came on Christmas, is it your sense that this was meant to send out some sort of a message to members of the Christian community in our country?
I trust the machinery of our country. It is sad that this happens at the time of Christmas.
We go across now to Vamanacharya, spokesperson of the BJP in Karnataka. Mr. Vamanacharya, what is this really about? Is this simply a question on a particular audit, or is this a message which is being sent on Christmas? Because the allegations seem very
generally
strange,
these FCRA
and adverse input has been received. What adverse input?
One, they had requested for renewal, and renewal was refused on 25th 12 because they are not meeting the obligatory conditions that were posed on them. This also complains that this money is being used for conversion of poor people.
No, one second, sir. What is the? Where is that evidence?
Chief Minister
the Home
of
Ministry
Bengal
has. This was a question, sir, asked to the Home Ministry, and sources in the Home Ministry have told journalists that this has nothing to do with this entire bogey of forced conversions or of conversions. But sir, you made a specific point about these funds being used for sir, Mr. Vamanacharya, sir, you cannot make a statement. You cannot make a statement and not back it up. You have said that the funds used by the Missionaries of Charity, right, were used to further conversions or forced conversions. What proof do you have that those funds were being used for this?
See,
आणि मागीर what came back? Electoral bonds. Electoral bonds. The same central government, for an organization which has been doing charity, known all over the world, gave some boogie that they are into converting the poor people. Whereas electoral bond sabolo, big thing. Big thing. It's not only foreign funds come to this government, which was not even to be accounted. Wow. God has His own ways to put things in place. Next गेली दुसरी कर्तुबा Father Stan Swammy एमी on fictitious ground मुठ्ठे भाषेत तो मेलो, may his soul rest in peace. Father Stan Swammy used to work for the poor and Adivasis. They labeled him as against a nation मुठ्ठे भाषेत नाक काढलोले very difficult acts ल्हान तेजेर एक more than criminal दाखयलो. तेणे सगळें सोशिल्लें जेली रावलो फादर स्टॅन स्वामी एट द एज ऑफ 80+. आनी जेली रावन जेन्ना तेणे एक स्ट्रॉ मागिल्लो सिप्पर मागील तेणे तो जेली ताका सिप्पर दिवना. Objections. They'll need some time to think about all this. गरम कापडां मागिल्लें थोडयेक. गरम कापडां, woolen clothes were not given to him. For that also, he wanted to do research. Finally, Father Stan Swammy was loved by God and he left without even proper treatment in the jail, nor he was given a proper treatment, proper time in the hospitals.
Father Stan Swammy, who is a Jesuit priest and a tribal rights activist, was arrested last month on October the 8th over his alleged involvement in the Bhima Koregaon case. Swamy also suffers from Parkinson's disease, a debilitating disorder of the central nervous system that causes muscular tremors and spasms, making everyday actions like drinking difficult. Now, Swamy has sought the return of his straw and sipper confiscated during his arrest last month. But the NIA has told a special court in Pune that it doesn't have any of Swamy's belongings. He will have to wait till next Friday for a straw and a sipper cup as well as winter clothes. Earlier this month, the NIA, which arrested Swamy from his residence in Ranchi on October 8th, had sought 20 days' time to respond to his request for the straw and sipper after Swamy moved the request on November the 6th. The octogenarian is currently in the prison hospital. Late last month, he was denied bail as he had been booked under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The NIA...
Second part, if you see, notice, Sharad Reddy.BJP.Anthony, who has been caught in a big ghotala by the same BJP government, who was arrested after thorough interrogation. This man, after arrest, because his one pharmacy was also involved in this, which was known as Aurobindo Pharmacy. After being arrested, 5 दिसा भितर 5 crores bonds are being purchased and are being handed over to the BJP government. Not only that, the arrest is somewhere in 2022 November, but within 7-8 months time, some planning takes place, and somewhere in May-June 2023, this same Sharad Chandra Reddy gets a bail. And he bail on what grounds? ED, who are never easily found to be letting any bail to be given easily, who always object to any bails, tooth and nail, were found that they were conscious केल्ल्या भाशेन आसले ते. And Sharad Chandra Reddy was given bail on the ground that is lower back pain, lower back pain, and he gets a bail.
चंद्र रेड्डी हैं जो अप्रूवर बनाए गए हैं दिल्ली लिकर स्कैम के केस में, उनका मई 2023 में वो उनको बेल मिलती है, मेडिकल ग्राउंड्स पर बेल मिलती है। और इसमें बड़ी खास चीज ये है कि ईडी जो कि हम देखते हैं कि लगातार बेल को अपोज करती है, जब भी कोई मांगते हैं बेल, वो अपोज नहीं करती बेल को, तो बल्कि जो मेडिकल ग्राउंड है वो भी है लोअर बैक पेन करके जो समझ में आई है, वो मेडिकल ग्राउंड है। और हमने देखा है कि उससे बहुत सिवियर केसेस के अंदर भी बेल नहीं मिलती ऐसे केसेस में, तो लेकिन ईडी उस बेल को अपोज नहीं करती और मई 2023 में बेल मिल जाती है उन्हें।
Even in severe cases, in money laundering down funds, misappropriation, people don't get bail easily. A person like Father Stan Swammy at the age of 80 plus was never even considered for a zipper or woolen clothes. And this man was given a go ahead for the bail. And मागे किती जाता? Within few days, through Aurobindo Pharmacy and its associates of Sharad Chandra Reddy, 25 crores, 295 crores bonds are being bought and being handed over to the BJP government. So all these funds was not accounted for. And Emil rule kela, nobody should know who gives to whom and how much. Wow. Whereas Mother Teresa ke funding to gitu details ayo. In spite of she giving every penny record. Eka bail meta lower back pain that moon. Whereas Father Stan Swamy was suffering from Parkinson's disease, who could not hold a glass in his hand, asked for a sipper. You need time to think over it. Wow. अरे आमच्या भुरग्यांक जावं गोंयांत जावं भायल्या तेरांत भायल्या गांवांनी सिरिसे गेलो कडेन पोटान दुखोन आनी भायर सुणो, हाटी कोण दुखोन नाजाल्यार तकली उसणो, जोर येवं आनी कितें जावं. We need to work. We are made to work. Hard work is needed from us. So why this? For this little lower back pain you give them bail. And last and final, the same Sharad Chandra Reddy, who was in jail, who has handed over almost 30 crores in bonds to the BJP, becomes the witness, approver in the alcohol scam मुट्टय. म्हणजे चोर चोरी करप दुसऱ्या चोरा बराबर आणि एक चोराक विटनेस करप दुसऱ्या चोराचो. अरे वाह, beautiful. So the man was in the jail, the man who donated money to the same government become the witness to crucify another person who might have not donated money mutte bashin. So this hate politics, revengeful politics, we must stop. How long? How long will this go on? Every dictator has come down from the topmost pedestal. Don't harass the people who are weak, like Father Stan Swamy, like Mother Teresa's charity homes. Dev Bare Guru. Thank you very much.